Hello, hello. Yes, good afternoon to all of you guys out there, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back into Rechelle's vlog. So today, guys, I am gonna share with you one of the most popular, just kidding, this dish that is one of Natalie's favorites. So I want to share with you guys what it's gonna be. It's gonna be the caramel chicken. So for those who are health conscious, so this recipe is not for you guys, so I'll show you step by step. So I am gonna just show you guys what I'm gonna do. You won't be able to see me though, but it's okay. So I have here a chicken. So this is a chicken breast. Ito yung chicken breast natin. So, ikakat lang natin siya ng maliliit. Kakat lang natin siya ng maliliit. Yan siya. Yan siya. So, maliliit lang siya. Siya guys. So, na-cut ko na yung lahat ng chicken. Cut ko na siya. So, na-cut ko na yan. So, maglalagay na tayo ng asin, ng salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. So, lalagay na natin lahat yan siya dyan. The exact measurement, guys, I am just gonna put them in the description down below. So if you guys wanted to check that one, go ahead. And I'm gonna put water. So imi-mix lang natin siya, guys. My hand is clean. So imi-mix lang natin siya. Ayan. So gagawa naman tayo ngayon, guys, ng butter. So meron ako ditong flour, and cornstarch. So ilalagay na natin siya dyan sa loob. And meron ako ditong garlic powder, salt, and baking powder. So, lahat ilalagay na natin dyan. Halu-haluin lang natin siya. Haluin lang natin. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi nyo siya makita. Haluin nyo lang. And lalagyan natin din siya ng isang itlog. Isang itlog lang yung ilalagay natin. So, yan. Tapos, mantika. Lalagyan din natin siya ng vegetables oil. So, ilalagyan lang natin siya. At syempre, lalagyan din natin siya ng malamig na tubig. So, lalagyan na natin din siya lahat. And then, haluin lang natin siya guys hanggang sa mahalo na natin lahat. So, haluin lang natin to guys. So, ayan siya guys. Namhalo ko na. Tapos, okay na tong ating chicken. So, haluin ulit natin siya. Haluin ulit natin siya. And, ilalagay na natin siya. Ihalo na natin siya sa may butter. So, in this stage, kukuha na ako ng sandok. Tapos, haluin lang natin siya. So, make sure na lahat ay na-coat na natin siya. Ayan. Okay. So, okay na siya. And, magpa-fry na tayo. So, okay lang natin siya dyan. Tap the excess, and drop it there. Okay. So, it is a time-consuming this one, guys. Pero it is worth it. So, yan lang yung gagawin natin. So, lalagyan na natin lang to, guys, hanggang sa maluto natin lahat ng chicken. So, yan siya, guys. Ilalagay ko lang muna siya lahat, and then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung susunod na step. Kaya sabi ko kanina, guys, hindi ito healthy meal. Pero once in a while, masarap din naman din kumain ng ganito. So, ito yun. So, ito na yun siya, guys. Yung ating manok. So, crispy na siya. So, para lang siyang gumagawa ka ng chicken nugget, guys. Bowl. So, meron ako ditong tubig. I have water. I have a sugar. Sugar. Mayroon tayong ketchup. So, yung mga exact measurement nito, guys, isusulat ko na lang siya sa baba para makita nyo kung gusto nyo i-try itong ingredient, itong recipe na to, go ahead and do that. And maglalagay din tayo ng honey. So, maglalagay ako ng 2 kutsarang honey. Ito yung honey gamit ko, guys. Okay. Guys, ito na yung ating sauce. So, ilalagay na natin siya. So, ang gagawin lang natin, guys, papalaputin lang natin siya. So, papalaputin lang natin. Mainit na kasi kanina yung pan, kaya madali lang itong lumapot. So, yan lang siya. So, hintay lang natin, guys, na lumapot. Ito na, malapot na. So, ang gagawin natin, we are gonna put the chicken in. Lalagyan na natin lahat ng chicken. And imimix lang natin siya. Hanggang sa ma-coat lang lahat. Ng sesame, toasted sesame. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dyan. Not much. Pang garnish lang siya. So, that's it, guys. So, hello mga kapatid. So, tapos na ang ating caramel chicken. So, if you guys want to give this recipe a try, I will put all the ingredients that I use into the description down below. So, yes. So, I am gonna try it. Ang sarap niya. Kain. Okay. That's it for now, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe with our channel. And if you wanted to, kung gusto niyo lang naman po mapanood ang aming mga previous videos, it will be linked up here, as always. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a lovely weekdays coming. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please give this one a try. Give this one a try because it's absolutely delicious. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Beer.